Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a poster design just like this. So let's jump right in. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop. We'll upload our source image, which is this one, and I'll be using this building as the source image. So what I'll do is I'll rotate this image and I'll just select the subject. What I'll do is I'll just click on this layer mask. Okay, so we have our building. Let's resize it. Okay, I think this is good enough. Let's add in our text. Which that is adaptation. I can't see this. So I'll change the font to Corelef condensed. And I'll resize this too. And I'll put this text layer below the building layer. Okay, so yeah, this is good. Make sure this is central line and give the font size 90 and I'll just make sure if it's central line composition. Okay. I don't think heavy is working out. Okay, bold is perfect. And what I'll do here is I'll take our other image, which is the background one. And I'll just resize it. And I'll add this to the background. Okay. So first thing is I'm going to change the color of my text to white. I think this needs to be a little bigger. Let's try 100. Okay, yeah, this looks fine. So yeah, this is our basic composition. So what we'll do next is we'll add some more text here. Let's just say poster. And we'll take another text, which is today's date. this font to let's change this to full bit. Let's make sure it is aligned properly. Just left, and I'll change this to the same font, which is Cool Vertica Light. And the font size to 5. Character space turning to 50. Okay, so I'll select these two tiny texts and I'll center align it vertically. And make sure you have the text alignments. What I'll do is I'll just select this one and the adaptation text, and I'll just left align. Yeah, and I'll select the percentage and adaptation, and I'll select these two, and make it a little bit higher. Yeah, this looks good. And I'll add another text, which will be a dummy text actually. Align it to the center, and I'll select the background center. No, actually, I think it's best to use text box. If you select the text tool and if I just drag it from here to here, I think it's really good. So yeah, we can see we have some dummy text here. Yeah, I think this is good. I'll just center align this, and I think justify center will be good for this. Here. I'll make the text box smaller. I'll drag it down somewhere. It is fine. Okay, yeah, we have our entire composition. We'll work on some basic editing. So first thing, I want this building to be in black and white. So what I'll do is I'll select this building. I'll go here to adjustment layer, create a new adjustment layer, and I'll choose black and white. So you can see our whole composition is black and white right now. So what I'll do is I'll just click on this click button just to affect the building layer itself. So yeah, you can see the building is now black and white. That's what we wanted. So yeah, and what else we can do? So what we can do is we can add a little red circle in the middle. I think you can select this ellipse tool and from the center, if we drag it, I think something like this will do just fine. And I'll just align this vertically at the center. So yeah. So now what we need to do is, if we go to this blending options, you can choose multiply. This looks good. Let me just you can experiment with these blending layers. Yeah, I like this layer, which is colorful, but you can experiment with whatever you want. It's your imagination. So yeah, this is it. I think I will add some blur to this text. So for that, what we need to do is right click on this layer, text layer, and convert this to smart object. After that, if you go to filter and blur gallery, you will find something called tilt shift. Yeah, this will be good. I'll bring it to the center. I'll just it's too much right now, so I'll just you can decrease this to 8, I guess. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, this looks cool. And do I want the background black and white? No, I will just keep it colored. What I'll do is I'll just sharpen this background. Go to filter and sharpen. Just click on sharpen mode. Okay. And I think I can add a levels adjustment. If I drag this to here, and I can drag this to this side. It will give a little contrast to the background. Yes, I think I can do this. So yeah, that's it. So lastly, what we can do is for the noise, you can add a rectangle to the whole composition and make sure fill color is black. I don't use a pitch black color. I'll use a little gray. Yeah. So now go to filter and it's here, noise and add noise. Go to smart object mount 5 Gaussian. Yeah, this is good. I click on open. And you have to change the blending option to screen. Yes, I think better. Yeah, and that's it for this video on how to design this simple poster design. And please hit the like button if you like this video, and comment down what you think about this video, and yeah, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you guys in the next video.